The farm. The bomber.
Yeah, you're gonna ride over him and then I'm gonna struck.
Grandpa's truck. Oh, the truck is gone. Look. There it is. There it is.
We have a video photographer.
I know. That used to be orchards. That used to be trees and peach trees and apple trees and everything. And there it is. And there's this truck.
Don't pull sideways too much, we should. If we would have come around farther, that would have worked out pretty good. You know what I mean?
How's it going, Rob?
Well, we got jack.
Mm-hmm.
We can move it over once we get on trail.
Move what on? The truck, you mean?
This used to be all orchards. Let's see, here's the farm. We used to play on that tree.
Otherwise, we're going to have to crank. Yeah.
Bart put I don't see the, there used to be a tire that went around one tree. Maybe that tree. Oh, I don't see it anymore. Wow, look at how far you can see down now. Whew, glad I ain't doing that. I used to play at that tree on the unicycle. It's an old tree now. There's a little shed. See, there's that shed. I don't feel like going down that way. It's steep. There's the back of the house. They usually grow corn across that field. And this is usually mowed. Because then you could see the driveway. But here's Grandma Gigi's old house. Now ours. Well, Grandma's and Grandpa's.
But you know what? If you get him, you know what? You could get him.
Don't.
I wouldn't want to aggravate myself with it, but you know, if he's a typical case for elderly abuse.
And that's Grandma talking. That's Grandma talking.
That's right. That's what. Do you
That's Uncle Ronnie. Or not Uncle, Cousin Ronnie. Grandma's cousin would be my second cousin. Would be Mitchell's third cousin. That's pretty. We used to do fireworks over here all the time. It's a snowball bush. See, look at all the farms. All the farms. Pretty. This is where the pigs used to be. Many years ago. God, I don't know what I'm stepping in. Probably I'm going to be attacked by ants. See, we go into this shed. That's scary. This used to be pigs and then chickens and whatnot. What the fuck? Don't you move. I don't want to go in. Something moved in there. That's a cool car sitting right there. That used to be Uncle Matt's. A little too much work for me. But it's pretty cool. Is that poison 5? I probably poisoned stuff. But yeah. See, that's cool. Back in the day. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. But that's a pretty badass car. It used to be like deep purple. And deep purple. Somebody's been mucking with it. There's footsteps on it. It done sunk down to the ground. Two-story. I don't know what the hell I'm stepping in. Hopefully, I just freaked myself out there thinking, I've run out of this place many a time thinking there was something chasing after me. Going, Grandma, Grandma, is there something after me, Grandma? There's shit after me. And then it goes way down there. Goes way, way, way out there. Mailbox used to be here that I used to paint. See, and the driveway that goes down to the river. I think somebody else lives down there somewhere. Down by the river in a van. And here we go. That's a farm. That's the driveway. It goes way, way down. It's Carl Dixon Drive. Yeah, way down there. I just learned how to drive on that. But yeah, somebody needs to come and mow this place. Anyhow, I'm gonna go kick it now. See what's up with everybody. Spooky place. Spooky. Okay, later.